It's February, guys. Man, January took forever to go, but it finally went. And now it's a brand new month. Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's Saturday, it's the weekend, and I'm heading home from work, of course. Whew, let me tell you guys, let me tell you. So I got my waist trainer on. Yes, I did 8 hours. That's how I want to do it. 8 hours. You can do 12 if you want, but 8 hours for me. But can I tell you, it feels so good, you know. But I really want to take it off, but I have my fridge to clean, so I might just do another hour or two in it and see. But nevertheless, this vlog is all about cleaning my refrigerator because it's way overdue to get a deep cleaning. And you all know when I'm deep cleaning my refrigerator, I go hard because I don't only do, you know, the inside. I do outside, around it, under it. I remove it, put it away, because that's deep cleaning. Yeah. So yeah, let's go. Watch me do this. No, I'm not tired. I got my I took my energy drink, my Herbalife tea, you know, boost my energy. So that is still going on inside my system, so I can go all day just working, and yo, not surprised, me might, you know, hit the gym tonight, but I'll keep you updated on that. So yeah, let's clean my fridge with me. Mwah. Yes, guys, I made it home safe and sound. One of the best feelings ever for me is getting home safe, because yo, we all know outside can be crazy, trust me. But anyway, while driving home, one thing came to my mind. My plant, guys, you should see my damn plant. Ooh, I can't believe, you know, I don't know if it's because I put it on top of the refrigerator and then I keep forgetting to water it. So I think that's gonna be the first thing I'm gonna do when I get inside. All right. I think we just add one more thing on my to-do list. This is this one, that one up there. Need clippings, probably. Huh? Yo, right. I don't know if the waist trainer was pulling up the tiredness, but as soon as I take coffee. But anyways, let's see. Everything. That's the truth. So guys, there you have it. That was my little weekend cleaning, after work weekend cleaning, of course. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share, comment anything you want to do, but no negativity. Keep it positive, guys. Keep subscribing, keep sharing. Until then,